Good morning, guys. I'm so sorry that I didn't get you last night or yesterday. What am I doing? I'm trying to get good lighting. I was so exhausted and I got home and literally crashed. I tried to do makeup this morning. It's not going well, so I'm just done with the makeup, I think. Look at this on this trip because it's just sweating off my face. As soon as I'm putting it on, it's like coming off. It's too humid. My hair is a mess. Like, there's nothing you can do with your hair because the second the humidity gets in it, it's just like frizz central. So that's it. I don't know what I'm doing today, but I'm gonna bring you along. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far, and I'll keep you updated. Look at this, I put tan on last night. Don't do that either out here. It's just too hot to do anything. It's too sticky. We're gonna have a bit of fun, I think. I'm wearing overalls. I haven't worn dungarees in so long. I think they look cute. So yeah, let's get going. Hi guys, so I'm at this like tower thing right now, and it's kind of cool. And there's like a bell and a drum in it, like, and apparently the bell weighs 60 tons and the drum weighs, I think she said 40 tons. And when they ring them together, it means it's gonna bring you like luck. Actually excited to see that in there. It's really nice here. It's really pretty, and I know I'm gonna sound so stupid, but I actually don't remember like why or what we're doing on this tour. I didn't realize that we were doing this tour, so I'm not really sure where I actually am. I know where I am, like I'm in Hanoi, but I don't know what this area is called. I don't know, because I didn't realize I was doing this tour. So it's really interesting though. It's really beautiful, and there's loads of like Buddhas, and like they're made out of gold and stuff, and they all weigh 10 kilos. I showed you them there when we were in there, but now we're going to go in here and I'll show you what the drum looks like and kind of have a look around there. I know like some of you are probably totally not interested in this, like in the vlogs, which are fine, but like obviously I'm Vietnam, so I'm going to show you some of the like Vietnamese things that I'm getting up to. I want to go to a war museum to find out a little bit more about like the Vietnamese war or Vietnam War, because I'm really interested in that. So hopefully we get to do that at some stage. Oh, this is the drum. So this is the drum, and that's the bell up there, which we'll be going up to. It's really cool. So this one weighs 60 tons and that one weighs 40. I'm sure I could lift that no bother. Drum and bell. Yeah, that is really cool. Okay, so we're in this temple thing that's really cool, and it has a female Buddha, and she has like 1,000 eyes, 1,000 hands, for impressing the culture. And it's really, really cool actually. She was like made of gold and weighed 90 tons. I just thought it looked really interesting. Big 100-ton Buddha. Look at the size of him. He's actually massive, like. And all his offerings, but he's absolutely massive. Like, I can't even describe how big that is. So cool though. This is the first time I've ever rode a bike and I'm so proud of myself. My transportation for the day. Look where I am, guys. So amazing. So pretty. Love it here. Over here you just need a license and you just go. Even if you don't have a license, you just go, but just wear a helmet and be really, really careful. And like the roads are mega dangerous, but I'm just being really careful when I did ride it, and I was kind of riding it on like safe roads, but it's unbelievable. I'm in paradise right now. It's the evening time. Well, it's actually like nearly 6, but it gets really dark here very early. And I'm gonna head back now, I think.